Hello YouTube, welcome to my first video on Vim in slow motion, and I'm going to be making a series of videos on how to use Vim effectively for your work, whether you code, whether you are a researcher, whatever you use text editors for. That's what this video is about, and I hope to convince everyone out there to be a Vim fan like I am. So before we get started, let's just do a little bit of a demo with a challenge. The challenge here is how do we get to copy and paste a given line of text 1 million times. So if you're going to, let's start with gedit. I'm using a Linux machine. So with gedit, this is the text. Let's say this is the text. We want to copy this text and paste in 1 million lines. So we'll first of all have to copy the text, right? Select the text. If you use the keyboard, you can just press Control and or Shift rather, and then down there, and then you say Control C, copy, and then you deselect, you come down, hit enter, and you paste 1, hit enter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You get the idea. It's not going to work. I mean, it's just not going to work. 1 million times, 15. I mean, by morning I'll still be pasting. But with Vim, it makes it a lot more easier, simply because of the anatomy of Vim. Vim has built into it several philosophies, but one of the or two of the main philosophies are: one, repetition, you do not repeat yourself, and also the idea of numbers, so description or describing what you're trying to do to the machine. So let's go to Vim. I'm using the latest Vim, which is 8.1, but I mean any version of Vim can still work. And with this, I'm also assuming that you have some idea of Vim, but if you do not have an idea, Vim has what's the notion of modes. So, or we have several modes in Vim. We have the normal mode, which is what I just highlighted down here. We have the insert mode. When you press I on the keyboard, you see it changes down here to insert mode. We have select mode, and we have visual mode. So I'm in insert mode, so that means that my keyboard automatically enables me to type. So I will type in this again. This is a text, and I will go back to normal mode by hitting enter, or escape rather, excuse me, and I'm going to copy this. But in this case, I'm not going to make use of the mouse. I'm going to copy this in just one step. So I'll just press Y over the text. So I'm now over the text, and when I press Y, what it tells Vim is that it should copy the entire line. In other words, it should copy where my cursor is, the entire line. So I don't need to select anything, I don't need to go anywhere, I just need to say YY. In other words, yank. Then I want to paste it. I can paste it immediately, or I want to paste it below. So I press small O. It takes me beneath the new line, the line that I've selected there, and puts me in insert mode. So I go back to my normal mode, and then I can say P, which is going to paste. P 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now that reduces by one character. I don't need to press Ctrl P. I just need to press Ctrl V rather. I just need to press P. Now Vim also has the concept of numbers. Like I talked of repetition. You don't need to repeat yourself. So I just need to tell Vim the number of times I want to paste this particular text and what I want to do. So the action is to paste. The number of times is 1 million. So I just need to press 1 million 1,000,000 P. That's it. It pastes it 1 million times, and I will just press J to move down, and you can watch the cursor by the side. It's scrolling down 1 million texts, and if you look at this side here, the counter at this side, it tells you the exact line number where you are. And I think this is an awesome feature, very awesome. Now with the idea again of numbers, I can say, okay, I want to move to the line number 500,058, for instance. I just need to enter the command mode, and I say 500,000 558, for example, and I go right straight to that point. So I mean, with these features of Vim, it makes your work very easy, and as we see in other videos, you can undo this in no time. So I just press U undo, and I go right back to where I was. So check out my next video on how to make your editing, apart from just copying and pasting, how to make your editing more smart. Thank you.